A scissor-type metal bandsaw machine, also known as a scissor-type bandsaw, is a type of cutting tool designed specifically for cutting metal materials. It features a scissor-like mechanism that provides a stable and precise cutting action, making it suitable for various metalworking applications, such as cutting pipes, tubes, bars, and profiles. The scissor-type metal band saw machine consists of a continuous loop of a toothed metal blade, which is stretched between two or more wheels. The blade moves in a continuous motion, allowing for precise and efficient cutting of metal material. The scissor-like design provides a stable cutting platform, ensuring accurate cuts on metal material. Most scissor-type metal band saw machines come with variable speed settings, allowing users to adjust the cutting speed according to the material being cut and the desired finish.